friends, welcome you all to the science lecture. Friends, we all know the importance of plants. We know about the parts of plants also. We know that plants are divided into two main parts. The upper part, which is above the ground, is called shoot, and the lower part, which is under the ground, that is called root. We know that roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has one main root, and from that main root many small root hairs are there, and fibrous root has no any main root, only thread like structures are there. Fine. Now in this video we will know about some special types of roots. So what are the special types of roots? Special types of roots are, first one is water storing root, second one is food storing root, third one is propagative root, fourth one is aerial root, fifth one is buttress root. I can give you some example. Water storing root, you might have seen pumpkin. So pumpkin has water storing root, means root stores water. Food storing root, like you have eaten that carrot, radish, turnip, all are food storing root. So these are tap roots and food storing roots. Third one is propagative root, that you have eaten cherry, strawberry. The plants of cherry, strawberry has propagative roots. Fourth one is aerial root. You have seen banyan tree has aerial root. Now buttress roots, you have seen that fig leaf, that fig tree has buttress root. So we will know about all types of roots in detail one by one. Fine. This is the root of a water storing plant. This root is a tap root. The tap root that stores water. Why these tap roots store water? Because they can survive in summer season and dry area also. The root is of a pumpkin plant. So pumpkin plant has water storing roots. Fine. Now come to the second one. Second one is food storing root. Fine. Food storing root. So just see the food storing root. Radish, beetroot, carrot. These all are food storing roots. These are also tap roots. They store food, and these are edible roots, means we can eat these roots. Fine. Roots of carrot, radish, turnip, these all are food storing roots. Fine. Now come to propagative root. You can see this one. This is propagative root. Propagative root. What is propagative root? It is a type of fibrous root. Propagative root is a fibrous root basically. It has some buds. In this root, some buds are there that is close to the surface, and through that buds you can see buds are there, and through that buds a new plant can grow. So this type of root is called propagative root. Fine. Because they grow individually, means buds are there, buds grow individually, and by this way it propagates, it spreads. Fine. Roots of cherry, strawberry, these are the examples of propagative roots. Now come to aerial roots. Aerial roots, you can see this banyan tree. You can see this from banyan tree. Many roots are from branches of the banyan tree. Many roots are coming out, and it is going to the ground. You can see here in second image, many roots are coming out from stems, and it is going to the ground. The roots are suspended in air from the branches of the plant, and these roots get water from moisture of the air. Fine. So this is aerial root. Now come to the next one. Next one is the buttress root. Next one is buttress root. This is bay fig tree. Bay fig tree has buttress root. So what is the speciality of buttress root? You can see that buttress roots are spread on surface only. It is not going very deep inside the ground. Why? Because it grows in the area, it grows in rainforest where they do not get proper nutrition. Poor soil is there, they do not get proper nutrition. That is why roots are spread over the surface. Roots are spread over the surface. So what happened? It spreads in a large area so that the roots can prevent plant to fall down. Fine. One more special tree is there. That special tree is mangroves. Mangroves are basically found in marshy areas. Marshy areas where clayey soil is there. Means lot of moisture is there, lot of water is there. That is why its root grow, these plants roots grow above the water so that it can absorb air easily, it can get air easily. So by this way we knew that what are the special types of roots. First two types of roots we have read, that water storing roots and food storing roots. These two roots are the special type of tap roots. After that we read about propagative roots, aerial roots and buttress roots. These are the special roots of fibrous roots. So I hope you all understood and enjoyed. Thank you so much.